All right, what's up, everybody? Jammin JD Sports Cards here. We're going to bring you a break of the new SP Authentic. This is some, I've seen a few photos of the product. It looks really sweet. There's some cool patches. Obviously, Upper Deck doesn't have an NFL license, so everything is college related, the patches and all that. But still should be good. All right. Let's see what we can get out of this. We got a guaranteed of 3 autographs per box on average, one of which is a patch auto. So, let's see how those are. All right. Dante Hightower, Rhett Ellison. Ooh, nice. Little SP of Trent Richardson. I'm going to move this over here so I can keep it focused on the cards. There we go. All right, cool. I like that card. And filler. Jarrett Lee. There's actually 24 packs in the box, so I'll see if I can get through this kind of quickly. Won't spend too much time. Don't want to sit here forever. Looks like we got our first hit there. Maybe. We'll see. And nope, not a hit. Just another variation. See if this is numbered. Nope, that's just an insert. Pretty cool card though. It's got a canvas feel. It's a thicker card. I like that. Another filler. Dwayne Allen. And Chandler Harsh. Pack 3. Brandon Thompson. Jonathan Martin. And die cut of Dwight Jones. I like these throwbacks. I remember collecting the actual SP when this came out in the 90s. These exact cards. 94 this one is. And yeah, I remember collecting these. These were fun. Filler, you got Kirk Cousins and Ivan Rodriguez. TJ Graham, Jeff Fuller, Matt Khalil, and filler. Nice, Russell Wilson. And Andre Branch. That's a good pack. Some good names in that one. It's a pretty clean looking card. You know, you figure guys don't have an NFL license, so they can only do so much. But overall, it's a nice looking card. Got a little holofoil logo like they normally do. Hopefully we got a few more inserts in here I'd like to see. There's something different. Stephen Hill. A little different look to that one. That's cool. Another filler. Levant David. Alright. That will definitely be our patch auto. See how thick it is, so we'll check these out first. And oh wow, that is not what I was expecting. That is cool though. Stadium Authentics Jim Kelly. I have not seen one of these yet. That is a really cool card. It's covered up there by a little plastic shield. See if I can. It's tough to see in the video, but that's actually deep in there, kind of like a Shadowbox. It's a really cool card. I like that a lot. Wasn't expecting that, so that's a bonus there. Alright, Brandon Whedon, Dan Herron, and Ruben Randall. Filler, Alfred Morris, and Luke Kuechly. Nice. Melvin Ingram, another throwback rookie. And the filler, still looking for our 3 hits though. Jim Kelly obviously wasn't an auto, so it doesn't count as our hit. Got another thick card in there, so maybe that'll be our patch. We'll go from the back. Okay. AJ Jenkins, Orson Charles, Kendall Wright, Stephon Green, and ooh, nice, Michael James. 2 of 25. Little piece of his Oregon jersey there. That is sweet. Look at that patch. Really dig that patch. That is awesome. That is an on-card auto. It's not a sticker, so that's nice. Sweet card. Nice. Still got 2 autos to go, so this is a good product so far, especially for the money. You know, you're just over $100 a box retail, so that's pretty good. Filler, Vontaze Burfict, Jermaine Kearse, and Michael Ignu. Doesn't seem to be. I should have looked at the actual checklist for this before I opened this box, but I haven't seen any parallels or anything like that. Not sure if there will be any. Joe Adams, nice RG3. Filler, Justin Blackman, Vaughn Wiley, and Jerry Franklin. Okay, I guess that's another one of our autos. I didn't expect it to be sitting over there to the right. But, yep. So that's not bad. It's alright. Okay, another filler. So we got one more hit to go. I think we're about halfway through the box. Dominique Davis. Another filler. Dwayne Allen. Chandler Harnish. John Tyner. If you guys aren't following us on Twitter, do so at Jammin Cards. Go check it out. We are giving stuff away every Friday. We're always showing off our hits, and we do put sales on there. So go check it out at Jammin Cards. I'd like to see you on there. Ooh, nice. Stephon Gilmore, and it's the throwback auto. That's sweet. I like that card a lot. Good looking card. Another filler, Isaiah Peed and Dontari Pope. So I think that is all of our hits. I will try to bust through the rest of these quickly. So you guys can see what was in the box. Might be another insert or two. Ooh, Thurman Thomas. Going throwback, old school. That's a cool card. I like that. Cool. Michael James, and Devier Posey. Those are nice looking inserts. Doug Martin. Haven't seen an Andrew Luck rookie yet. Maybe he's not in this set. I don't know. Quentin Cups and Trenton Richardson. It's another one of the high numbered cards. Look a little different. Cool. Another filler. Plenty of fillers. Ronnie Hillman. One sec. Light is causing a little focus issue. There we go. Just a few packs left. There is a lot in this box. A lot of packs, a lot of cards. Keyshawn Martin. Case Keenum. Mike Martin. Jarrett Boykin. Rodney Stewart. Jordan White. Alright, this light's driving me nuts now. Last 3 packs. Thomas Mayo. Another one of the inserts. Bobby Wagner. Janoris Jenkins. Cliff Harris. And Jordan Jefferson. Last pack. Sorry this took so long, guys. It's a lot of cards to go through. David DeCastro. Kendall Reyes. Travis Benjamin throwback. Eric Page and Alshon Jeffrey. So, the hits, real quick. Just show you, we got the throwback Stephon Gilmore. Auto. The regular auto. We got this Jim Kelly Shadowbox style card. And the main hit is the Michael James. Got a great patch in there, number 2 of 25. Nice looking card. That's what the inserts look like. Saw plenty of those. And the throwbacks. One of them die cut. And the rest of them just the normal style of 94 SP. Alright, again, follow us on Twitter at JamminJD Cards. We got giveaways every Friday and sales, showing off our hits there as well. And these cards will be available for sale on my storefront. The link will be down below. Thanks for watching.